Turn your photos into income with Shutterstock, the platform that pays you every time someone downloads your work. Whether you're a pro or just love taking pictures, you can upload your best shots and start earning from your creativity. It's free to join, easy to use, and a great way to make money doing what you love. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to earn money by using Shutterstock. So without further ado, let us begin. So there are plenty of ways in making money by using Shutterstock. So you can upload your own images right here, your own videos and your own music, and in return, you can get income by uploading these directly to Shutterstock. Before we get started, let's talk about the basic guidelines we need before using Shutterstock. So at first, you must be at least 18 years old to submit your work to Shutterstock. And then next is your work must be original and you must be the copyright owner of the work you submit. So make sure to keep that in mind. And also, submitshutterstock.com is the site for our contributing artists, and shutterstock.com is for customers who license your work. So if you're going to be uploading like your own photos, your own videos, or your own music, you will need to go to this website right here, which is submit.shutterstock.com, while shutterstock.com is for the customers. So I'll just open this link right here in a new tab. Moving on, work that features models or private property and is intended for commercial licensing must be accompanied by a release. And then there are a number of restrictions as to what Shutterstock can accept, especially for commercial licensing. You can learn about them here in this link right here. So let's say you already have your photos or illustrations, vectors, videos, or music. The content you submit will be reviewed by their expert team of reviewers, who ensure it meets all legal and compliance requirements, as well as Shutterstock's technical and metadata standards. Their team works promptly to assess your submissions, as it is their mutual interest to bring your content to their marketplace as quickly as possible. So when earning money in Shutterstock, once you have accrued at least $25 from realizing your work on Shutterstock, you're ready to collect your earnings. So in order to receive payment, you must have a completed tax form on file and select an electronic payment provider. So you can either choose from PayPal, Skrill, or Payoneer. So yeah, so before you start, make sure you have either of these electronic payment providers. So again, it's PayPal, Skrill, or Payoneer. So yeah, so without further ado, let us begin. So let's just go to this website right here, which is submit.shutterstock.com. So this is the website where we will be submitting our own content right here so that people can download them and that we can also license them. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to just simply sign up. So let's just sign up right here on the top right. There you go. Afterwards, just input your full name, your display name, your email, and your password. And then there you go. So once you're done inputting your details right here for your account, just simply click on this box right here and then just simply click on Get Started. There you go. Afterwards, it will now ask you to verify your email. So just simply go to your email and then just simply verify it. There you go. The email has now been verified. So just simply click on Next. Afterwards, it will now ask you for your residential address and of course your mailing address. So just simply fill in these details right here. And then once you're done, just simply click on Next. And then there you go. It says right here, welcome to the community. We can't wait to see your best work. So let's just simply go to our dashboard right here. And then here you go. We are now in our dashboard. And then so in here, we can now upload our assets. So you can either drag and drop them right here or just simply click on upload assets right here to upload your image or video or any of content. And then on the left side over here, we will have our homepage. So the homepage right here will just display a view right here of our portfolio status and our earnings and a lot more details right here. Next is we have earnings. So in here we'll get to see our earnings. So we can get to see our earnings by month. You can also get to see your earnings by product and some adjustments. So yeah, so at the top right here you'll also get to see your total earnings, your total downloads, your referral earnings, and your total referrals. Next is we have my referrals over here under earnings. And then so in here, so it works like this. So you earn $0.04 on images and 10% on videos when an artist signs up with your link and their work is downloaded. So you can just simply use this link right here so that you can earn money through these affiliate links. Same goes with this one right here. So you can share your work with buyers. So you can earn 20% up to $200 on a customer's first payment when they use your link to sign up. So you can also use this link right here as an affiliate link, so you'll also earn money as well. Next is we have payment history. So in here, you'll get to see your payment history right here. Next is we have the tax center. So in here, you can just input your tax details right here. Next is portfolio. So in here, you can submit your content right here in your portfolio. So next is we have pending content. So in pending content, this is where your content will go after submitting it. So if it's pending, that means that the people in Shutterstock are reviewing your video right here to check if it's approved or not. Next is reviewed content. So these are the contents right here that are already done reviewing. Next is we have catalog manager, data catalog, manage releases, collections, keyword suggestions. Next is we have insights. So in here, you'll get to see a view of the insights of your downloads right here, or the content that you upload right here in Shutterstock. You also get to see a shot list right here if you want to, and a lot more. So feel free to explore all of these sections out. Moving on, let's try to upload an image. So just simply click on upload assets right here, and then just simply choose the image you want to upload, and then just wait for it to upload. And then there you go. So as you can see right here that our image is already here. Afterwards, when you click on an image, this window right here on the right side will pop up. So just simply input a description of your image right here. A dog laying down on the grass. There you go. Then you can choose the category right here. So I'll just set it to animals. There you go. And then just simply add keywords right here. And then you can separate them by a comma or a semicolon. Dog, nature. Or you could just simply choose the keyword suggestions right here at the bottom. So I'll just choose animal, background, cute, domestic, grass, garden, furry, beautiful. Yeah, so there you go. Next, at the bottom right here is the image type. So you can either choose between photo or illustration. I'll just leave it at photo. There you go. And then for usage, you can either choose commercial or editorial. Next is for releases. You can also edit out your releases right here. And they also have some more options right here if you want to tweak out. So if it's mature content, you can tick this box too. Okay, so once you're done, just simply click on submit. And then there you go. It's been submitted. So all you have to do now is just simply wait until your image is reviewed. So your pending items will be reviewed within 5 days. We will let you know when they have been reviewed. So yeah, all you have to do now is wait. And then once it's approved, your image will now be in Shutterstock. And then from there, you can now earn money if anyone that will be using Shutterstock will be able to download your photo or video or any kind of content. So yeah. And then you'll also get to see the earnings right here again in earnings summary. So you'll get to see your total earnings right here once you've already uploaded your image. So yeah, so what you can do is to just simply upload a lot of images right here, and that you'll have a higher chance of earning more money. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Shutterstock. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.